First, you must blow air into a balloon to stretch it out. Then you must deflate it. Next, you can get a funnel or a homemade one. After that, you must wrap the balloon around the funnel. This is how it looks like after you put the balloon on the funnel. Then put sand or rice in the balloon and then give it a good shake and repeat. Now squeeze it to test if your other balloon is the same size as the one you are making. Now cut a second balloon. Now wrap it around. Wrap, 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 wrap. Wrap, 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 wrap. Now cut the little nozzle of the balloon off. Now you have a juggling ball ready to juggle.